Okay, these are going to be the directions for your test for Wednesday. At any given time, you can pause it or rewind and look at it again. I'm going to minimize that. And the first thing I'm going to do, I've already pulled up a silhouette. It's on my desktop. So if I go to Autodesk Inventor, create a rectangle, and let's size that at a 4x4 block. Right mouse done, right mouse finish the sketch. F6 puts in an isometric view, extrude it, throw my dimensions back the other direction. I'm just going to leave it at 1 inch thick. That's not going to hurt anything. Click this surface and click the view face. Let's put a sketch on it. Now I'm going to go to Images and insert an image. On the desktop I had a heart. Say open to that. Click it. Hit the escape button or you'll be putting hearts all over the place. Now I can click that left corner and hold it and pull it out a little larger than what I need. And position it. Now what I want to do, I can zoom in with my roller and we're going to go to arc 3 points. I click here at the bottom, click it here, here, zoom in. Now I need to get to the end of that point with a green light. And we're going to work ourselves all the way around. Okay, now that we're going all the way around, right mouse, finish the sketch. Let's free orbit it. Done, and extrude that direction. We're going to go all and cut. Okay, let's see how much time we have left. We're up to 5 minutes so far. Now, I need to save that and heart to the desktop. Let's go to New, IDW, okay. Base, make sure it's 1:1. And here's the name of it, heart. Alright, go to File, hover over Save As, and go to Save Copy As, and we're going to save it as a DXF file. And it's going to the desktop again, and we're going to hit Save. Let's minimize this. Don't delete anything until you're through. Pull up Plasma Cam, File, Import. We're going to import as a DXF file. If it were not, you need to select AutoCAD DXF, and we're looking for heart. Open. Now highlight everything you do not want and delete it. It's easier to put oneness around things. Now with this one, I'm going to highlight it all the way and hit K. That links to segments. File, save as. I'm going to call this one Heart also. It's going to save it as a PCM file. Now if I go to File and export it, it's going to export it as a DXF. I'm going to hit Save. It says it already exists. You want to replace it, say yes. Now I need to pull up the Mastercam. Let's go ahead and give it, go to Machine Type, Mill, and in this case I'm going to go to IntelliTech. Little plus sign. I'm going to give it some stock material. We created that a while ago at a 4x4. 4 tab, and 0.5 would be good. Click here, display it, and green check. Now we go to File, File Merge Pattern. Look under the desktop. We're looking for Heart DXF. We'll apply a green check, highlight it, turns it yellow, go to Xform, move to Origin, and click there. Now we can go ahead and go to Toolpaths, Contour, OK, and if you just click the heart and say green check, go to Tools, select Library Tool. I want to get to tool number 1. It's starting me off at 246. So if I click here, filter active, it gives me 367 with 367 tools. Pick tool number 1. So adjust our feed rates, 30. Our plunge should be half of that at 15. And I'm going to give it 3,500 RPMs and rapid retract. Now I'm at 114 surface feet per minute. Cut parameters. I need to turn my compensation off. I'm not wanting to have my tool to the left or to the right of the path. I want it to be the center of the spindle, so that will be off. I'm not worried about depth of cuts. I'm only going to engrave it 30 thousandths deep. Take lead in, lead out off. Linking parameters, I want that to be negative 0.030, 30 thousandths. Blue apply, green check. Isometric view. Now if you hit Alt F1, it zooms in 100%. Alt F2 backs it off 25%. And verify. And G1 will generate code for us. To the desktop, heart, and green check. That's it. Simple enough.